Let me know if I am live and if you are able to see the content, if you're able to see me, if you are able to hear me, and then we can start with the session. Fine. So I think I am live. Let me know if I am audible and if I am visible. Har Har Mahadev. Today Mahashivratri is there, and definitely on this day our session is going to be very, very important. We are going to cover the question which was asked in TCS NQT 2024 examination. Please let me know if I am audible and if I am visible to everyone. Yes. So yes sir, you are very good. Okay, Sakanksha, yes sir, all good. Great. Okay, so friends, before I start with the session, I wanted to tell you, today we are going to solve TCS previous year 2024 question. Friends, engineer हूँ and engineer बनाऊंगा. See, there are many who are teaching and they have not even cracked the exams. They have not even worked in any MNCs, but they are teaching, and that is a mistake we all are doing. We are learning from someone who has not even cracked any exam. How he will help you to crack any examination? So you have to think a bit about it. And I am telling, I am an engineer and I will make you engineer. That's my promise. And based on that, we are going to have the classes today. So let's enjoy the class. Fine? Okay. So please choose your teacher wisely. Either it is me or anyone. Know about his qualifications. So I have worked in IT industry for more than 12 years. I have worked in Tata. I have worked in Motorola. I have worked in Nokia. Many MNCs. Fine. So the first thing which I wanted to tell you here, friends. So today we are going to solve the type of question which comes in examination. I will not solve some random simple question. I will solve the question which has been already asked in the examination. We will practice real type of question for the examination. I will take you through all the question. You do not have to worry. Level of the question will increase slowly. So that you get familiar with the classes. So the first question, the second question will not be that tough. Slowly we will increase the level. Basic is must to understand the solution. So some kind of basic knowledge you should be definitely having. And all the questions are based on the latest pattern. Foundation and advanced questions are also covered for today's session. From today's session, you have to get an idea that what kind of questions you are going to expect in your examination. So let us start with the question number 1. Admit card. Admit card will come 4 or 5 days before your examination. So whenever your exam will be scheduled, you will be getting, so 3-4 days before you will be getting the admit card. Now the question number 1, and I will be giving you 1 minute to solve, and your timer starts now. So please let me know the answer. Come on. Okay. So I have not got any answer. Please answer, guys. So your time is expired now. So already we have exhausted around 1 minute. Option D. Very good. Prasanna has given the answer. So is March 15 is the confirmed? See, March 15 onwards your exam is there. So it might be on 20th of March. It might be on 25th of March. It might be on 29th of March. So that date, but it is, see, that is fixed that your exam is going to happen, and it will happen in the, the March end, okay, or maybe April first week, okay. So this will be in phases. Very good. So great. So many of you have given the answer, and now let's see how are we going to solve this, okay. So this is an easy problem based on partnership. All important topics we have selected for today. If you like the session, don't forget to like the video. So Amit starts a business with rupees 20,000. After 6 months, Ravi joins Arun with rupees 10,000. In what ratio they share their profit at the end of 3 years. So friends, actually the formula is investment into time. Okay, this is asked in TCS exam. Okay, all these questions has been asked in TCS exam. So investment into time ratio will be nothing but equal to your profit ratio. See, it is very simple. If you invest 2 lakhs rupees for 1 year, if somebody invests 10 lakhs rupees for 1 year, so who will be getting more profit? The one who spent more amount. This formula works on that only. So this is not exactly a formula you can understand. So if I am investing 1 lakh rupees for 1 year, if somebody is investing 10 lakhs rupees for 1 year, he should get more profit. That's all simple. So Amit starts a business with 20,000 rupees. Okay, fine. And this is the twist here. So basically after 3 years, so in 3 years, how many months will be there? 36 months. So Amit is basically investing for 36 months. And what about Ravi? So Amit starts the business. After 6 months, Ravi joins. So there is a small mistake here. It is Amit. Okay. Okay. So after 6 months, Ravi joins Amit with rupees 10,000. And for how many months? So he joining after 6 months. Total in 3 years, 36 months. He joined after 6 months. So his money will be invested for how many months? Sir, 30 months. So that's all. All zeros will get cancelled. Okay. And then 6 6s and 6 5s. So this is a very simple question which we could have done just in few of the seconds. So this question we would have done just in seconds. See, as soon as you see here 20,000 and 3 years, that means 20,000 you could have directly written, sir, 20,000 and 3 years is nothing but 36, and then 10,000, and then sir after 6 months means for 30 months this is gone, sir, 6 6s 6 5s, so 12:5. The question can be easily answered in 20 seconds. The question can be easily answered in the 20 seconds, right? So this is how you have to do in the examination. Okay, now very good. So question number 1 we have done. Now question number 2, I am starting the timer now. And this question is from the topic mensuration. The first question was from ratio and proportion. We also, in that only partnership will come. Second question is from mensuration. Now let's see how many of you are able to solve. Slowly we will increase the level of the question. But this questions also has been asked in the TCS examination. So don't keep any doubt. How, sir, how to join the course? I will tell you in some time how you can join the course. Okay. So right now you enjoy the live session, understand the tricks, understand the techniques. Okay. And try to also understand these are the questions, these are the kind of question which will be coming for your examination. Okay. Option B. Very good. Another 10 seconds. Mahalakshmi is telling, okay, 22, very good. Ayush, very good. Sanket, very. See, you guys are like, your basic is already good. The only thing is, see, going forward, what I am going to do, if you'll see, now slowly your level of the questions will increase. Okay, see, the level of the questions will be slowly increasing. Okay, so this, no, you will start enjoying the session. Your basic is already good. Your basic is already very good actually, and you all are following our channel. Don't worry. As I said in the beginning, I am an engineer and I will make you engineer. Okay, fine. Now, oh sorry, now here question number 2. So question number 2, no, see, some questions you need to just drop your pen and try to think. So the length of a rectangular sheet is twice its breadth. That means if breadth is A, then your length will become 2A. Okay, and area will become what? So length into breadth, 2A square. 2A square is equals to 242. So 242, if we divide by 2, 121. So A will be 11, 2A will be 22. So there are some questions which you should not use pen and paper. But for that, see, the understanding should be there, okay? So what you do from here, this is your rectangle, okay? And suppose breadth is A, then length they are telling, length is twice, so 2A. Now, area of rectangle, sir, I know area of rectangle, length into breadth, and that is given as 242. So they are asking, okay, so 2A square is 242. So this 2 will divide this by 122 times. So A will be 11. Negative value we will not take because your side will not be minus 11. Have you heard minus 11 side? No. Now they're asking, tell me the length. Length is 2A. 2 into 11 is nothing but 22. Okay, fine. Now I will tell you one thing which you keep in mind. See, 242, right? 242 is a multiple of 11. If you will divide by 11, 11 2 ja 22, 11 2 ja 22. So 242 is a multiple of 11. That means your answer will be also a multiple of 11. Your answer will be also a multiple of 11, because when you are going and solving, you see, this what you are getting 121, you are getting finally 11 only, multiple of 11. So your answer will be multiple of 11. That's all. You have to keep your, see, sometimes no, you have to keep your brain aside. Take your brain out and keep it in your hand. Okay, you don't have to use any of your brain. Okay, fine. Now if this is clear, then we will be moving towards question number 3. And here I am going to start the timer again. Okay, come on guys, can you please like the video? If you like the session, please do like the video, so that I will be bringing more and more such content for you. Okay, so the time expired. Many people are telling 7, many people are telling 8. Okay, C. Many people are telling D. Okay, so Sneak Guy, very good. So Sneak Guy and Sakanksha has given the correct answer. 2% has given the correct answer. That's really good. Okay, others who have not given the correct answer, let us try to understand. I will teach you everything from the basics. So basically they are telling 2 to the power 243. If you divide by 9, what will be the remainder? Friends, I wanted to tell you, in aptitude, every data which will be given to you will have some meaning. So this 243 is nothing but 3 into 81. Okay, we know already. If you don't know also, no problem. See, these things will give you idea that okay, this question can be done in this particular way. Now, so if you'll watch the recorded videos in our courses, there I have explained you. Okay, see, if you want to find the remainder, then always try to look for your numerator. Okay, so your numerator either +1 or -1. Okay, in that form you try to bring your numerator, then trust me, your problem is done that time itself. If you are able to figure out that, then it is done. Now this 2 cube I can make -1, right? So your numerator should be -1 or +1 of denominator. Always keep this in mind. So 2 cube to the power 81, this is again asked in TCS. Okay, all TCS problems only we have taken, divided by 9. Now 2 cube will be nothing but 8, and 8 to the power 81 by 9. Now 8 if you divide by 9, okay, 8 if you divide by 9, what will be the remainder? Sir, it is -1. So here 8 if you divide by 9, it is -1 to the power 81 divided by 9. -1 to the power odd, -1 to the power odd will be -1 only. -1 to the power 81 will be -1 only. And now if you subtract, then what will happen? 9 minus 1, you will be getting remainder as 8. Now because -1 you cannot divide it by 9, so what you have to do, you just add it, it will give you the remainder. So 9 minus 1 will be nothing but 8. So option B becomes the correct answer for this particular problem. And I could see very few of you have given this answer. Okay, so Sakanksha had given this answer, and then I could see Sneak Guy. So only 2% has given this answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. So 8 will be the remainder, and I told you the process also. Always try to figure it out. Your numerator should be +1 or -1 of the denominator. If you make this, then it will become very, very easy. 8 if you divide by 9, -1 to the power odd will be -1. If you divide by 9, you cannot divide it, so we just have to add it to 9. So 9 - 1 will be equal to 8. That's all. Your problem is done. Clear? Okay. So some time back, see friends, results will come. Okay, you don't worry about it. That you leave it on us. We are already putting a lot of effort, and result is going to come. You will also see. And see, this is one of the things which I wanted to show you. People are placed from 2025 batch in prime, in digital from 2024 batch. A lot of results we have given till now, and we will be keep giving. The reason is we are having daily live classes in our courses. We are having full length mock test. From now only we have started mock interview. So many things we are doing. How the results will not come? You tell me. If you are, see, never goes in vain. If you are putting effort, the result has to come. I will not talk much about it, okay? But one thing definitely I wanted to tell you. So if you have not yet taken the TCS NQT crash course, take it. 1400 rupees will help you to get a salary package of 7 or 9 LPA. Otherwise, in our hand, we will be only regretting. After once your TCS exam is over, you will not be getting much opportunities, from 2024 batch situation. So take it as the last opportunity. Give your 100%, okay? Do and die for this TCS NQT. You have already spent 4 to 5 lakhs in your colleges. This amount is a very less amount we have kept for all of you, and we are giving lot of things for you. This link is there in description. Please take it very seriously, and I wanted to update your photo on our page when you get selected in digital and prime. That's all I wanted to tell you about the quality content. I do not have to tell you anything. You all know. Okay. Now question number 4, your timer starts now. I'm going to give you 1 minute. Okay, so in the given time, only 2% has solved. One is Sanket and one is Prasanna. Manikandan has given the wrong answer. Guys, please do like the session if you are enjoying. Now, for this question, I will tell you a trick, okay? Please try to understand, okay? Now, what I am telling is, friends, suppose if average, if 3% are there and their marks is 20, 20, 20, okay? So what will be average? Sir, we know for similar data, the average will be same only. Or you can say sum divided by number, your average will be 20. Now, if I say, okay, their marks is increased by 2. If I say their marks is increased by 2, okay, then what will be the average? Sir, the average will be 22. So if I say, if your average increases by 2, you tell yes only when you understand. If you don't understand, you tell, sir, I did not understand, explain me once again. The classes is for you, not for me. I know how to solve this, okay? So average was 20. Now I increased the marks everywhere by 2. What happened? The average increased by 2. So in another way, if I say, if the average increases by 2, then all the numbers will increase by 2. Let me know if it is clear for you or not. Now, we will use the same concept here. The average score of player in 43 innings. See, in 43 innings, actually, the average is what? 72. Okay? Now, in 44th match, right, he scored a certain amount of runs. that increased his average by 2 runs. So his average is increasing by 2 runs. So what is his average? 74. If his average increases by 2 marks, what is that meaning? That means every number, I mean 43 innings. So every inning it would have been increased by 2. So 43 into 2 will be what? 86. Clear? See, you tell me if I am wrong. I said if the average increases by 2, that means every number is increased by 2. If the average increases by 2, then all innings runs will increase by 2. So 43 into 2, sir, 86 increased. Okay, fine. Now, so when the average increased by 2, in 44 inning it is 74. That means, sir, everyone is 74. Everyone average is 74. Add 74 to it. So it is 160. It is 160 and option A will become the correct answer. So if you understand the concept, okay? If you understand the concept, that's all. See, average increased by 2. You see, pen, no? You see pen is here. Average increased by 2. 43 into 2. 43 innings is there. Average increased by 2. Everything increased by 2. 86. Fine, sir. Now, average is becoming how much? 74. So, that 44th person will also be 74. Okay, 86 plus 74, sir, it is 160. Why you need pen and paper, okay? Right? So, you have to understand the concept, that's all. And then you will be able to solve the questions in the examination. Okay, fine. Now, this is, see, average is one of the this question is from the topic average. Average is one of the very important topic in your TCS NQT exam. Now, I am starting the timer here. Okay, fine. So, timer started. Come on. So, upgrade exam syllabus Assis. Already I made a video some time back on our channel. Please go and watch. So, I have discussed more about the upgrade examination. Guys, please like the session if you are understanding. Okay, so timer is over now, and this is a very simple question from the topic average. It looks that the question is very lengthy, but I could see some of them has given the answer. So Jaya Miswa, very good. Okay, Dinu, very good. So few of them has already given the answer. Nishad, Sakanksha, very good here. So lot of you are able to give the answer. So it means your concept is clear. The only thing what you have to do is you have to learn the tricks, how you can solve it little faster. That's all, nothing else is there. Anyway, for this question, you can easily do it in 30 seconds. Ram starts a factory and hires worker for the factory. The average monthly salary for 8 workers is, so 8 into 40, sir, 32,000. Okay, fine. The average monthly salary of 7 worker is this much. Sir, 7 5s are 35 and 7 4s are 28 plus 3 is 31, sir. And the average monthly salary of 5 other workers is 5,000. So, sir, total will be, see, what I am doing is average is equals to sum by number. So, I am calculating, my dear, here sum. Sum will be equal to average into number. That's all. Nothing else I am doing. Okay. And then the monthly salary of 3 other workers is 5,200. So it will be 15,600. And the monthly salary of 2 other workers is 15,600 again, right? Okay. If you add this, so 6, 6, 12. And 12 plus 5 is 7. So there is only one option, which is option C, is giving you the answer. So even the total addition was also not required. Sometimes we do some kind of unnecessary calculation which is not required. So you see 2 zeros will come here by 1 7. There is only one option. So this is how small, see, if you are saving 10 seconds also, no. So in 6 questions you saved 1 minute. Okay. So like this, you have to save time and you have to, score well in the examination. Okay. Okay, fine. So now next is your next question. We are moving. Fine. And your timer starts now. So now the level of the questions will be good. From now you will be having the good level of question. TCS is having easy, moderate and difficult level of the problem. So now your difficult level of the problems starts from here. Can you please guys like the video? See, if you guys are liking the video, that means you guys want more and more session. See, what is the motivation of getting more and more session? When more people are connecting, when more people are liking the sessions, then only, right? Then only I'll be bringing more and more sessions for you, no? And see, I will solve the actual question. It will be little tough, but I cannot solve simple question and I can, show you the tricks. See, this is the tricks. And this is how, but that's what come in the exam also, right? See, when we are giving the result, that means definitely we are providing you the quality content. Anyway, let's see what they're telling. So I found answers from Prasanna is telling B, Dinu is telling B, Amit is telling 113. Okay, fine. Now let's see how we will be able to solve this. So 8x square, what they're telling is, sir, 8x square minus 5y square. 8x square minus 5y square, okay? And divided by, sir, see, this meaning means what? Proportion meaning means what? Sir, it is nothing but division. 4x square minus 3y square. And it is nothing but, sir, 18 by 1. Now you are good at cross multiplication. 18 4 ja 72x square. See, this question can be solved in 30 seconds, okay? 30 seconds is more than sufficient. 72 square minus 18 3 ja, sir, it will be 54y square will be equal to 8x square minus 5y square, okay? Now 72 minus 8, bring it this side, sir, it is 64x square, and 54 will go that side, it will become plus. So 54 minus 5 will be 49y square. Now I can say x square by y square will be equal to 49 divided by 64. I can also say, sir, x square is to y square is 49 is to 64. Till here, if you have any problem, please ask. Anywhere, if you have any problem, please ask. I will explain you. Till then, the things does not get clear to you. Okay, fine. Otherwise, there is no meaning of me teaching. ChatGPT will also tell you the answer. Then for what I am here? Okay, now. So I have told you the ratios. Whenever the ratios are there, you can write down in terms of value just by multiplying with any variable. So x square value will become 49. I'm taking one variable p, and y square value will become 64p. Now they are telling you, tell me which values are not possible when we are having x square plus y square. Okay, so x square is 49p, y square is 64p. Sir, it is nothing but 113p. Okay, now, so friends, one thing is very, very clear. So now whatever your option will be, a multiple of 113. If your option is not a multiple of 113, so that cannot be a value of x square plus y square. What I wanted to tell you, friends, see, if the value of p is 1, your answer will be 113. If the value of p is 2, your answer will be 226. Sir, if value of p is 3, it will become 339. Sir, if the value is 4, it will become 452. So whatever answer will be, sir, it will be the multiple of 113. Now 113 cannot be, right? Because 113 itself, see, the value of p is 1, then 113. So this will be your, this can be a value. 450 also can be a value, because 450, that is nothing but p value is 4. Now out of this two, one we have to calculate, okay? Now, so I'm taking option 4. See, any one option you take, whichever is divisible, then other one will be your answer. 113. Sir, it is 4 times. So 4 3s are 12, and this will be 4 5s. Okay, fine. 2 2s are 0, 9, and this is 4. Now, so if you do by 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, and 8 11s are 90. Okay, so we'll use calculator. Okay, so don't waste time here, because you know the concept, right? Okay, so we'll see. So 5424, right, divided by 113. So we have 48 here, and 2825 divided by 113. So we have 25 here. Okay, so I think there is some value mistake is there, or maybe something is missing, because all the numbers are divisible here by 113, right? So which cannot be. Okay, so x and y are positive whole numbers. Which among the following cannot be the value of, okay, so maybe like I feel there is you know, either some data mismatch is there. Okay, because all this should be divisible by, okay, so all are divisible by 113. There is might be some data mismatch. Okay, because these options, I think something is hidden. I have put one you know, this thing here, this screenshot is put here. So I think there is a big value is here, so that is missing. I will just confirm you in some time. Till then you solve. So I have put one screenshot here. So that is basically because of hiding this number. So because some data is missing here. So actually option 4 will not be divisible. So some data is missing here. Okay, so we just have to find it out. No, so this one, so either this option or this option, one small data is missing. I will confirm you in some time. Okay, so this is the concept. If you understood the concept, well and good. I will tell you the value. Okay, I will tell you the exact number in some time. I need to check it out. Okay, so what was the option basically here, because there is one screenshot which is available here. Okay, so let me know if it is clear for everyone. If it is clear, then we can move ahead with the next problem, and in some time I will tell you the value. Or let me see if I have the question somewhere. So just a minute. Okay. Okay, no, so the question is not there now. I will tell you the value in some time. I'll have to check it out. Okay, fine. Anyway, the concept should be clear. Now we will be moving with the some other this thing. Okay, fine, some other question. Next question. So next question, please try. Okay, so next question, please try. Till then I will just look for the data. What is that? Okay, now let us start with the timer. Fine, I will just switch on the fan. Okay, so the timer is over now. 21. Okay, let's see. So question number 7. So question number 7, 3a plus 19 percentage of 225. So 3a plus 19 percentage of 2225 is equals to 890. Okay, is equals to B minus 11 percentage of 500. So what we have to do here, so B by A we have to find it out. So let us take this part at one side and let us take this part one side. Clear? Okay. So 3A plus 19 and then divided by, see this is what? This is 100. Okay. Into 2225 is equals to 890. And this side what we will do? B minus 11. See this percentage will take 20 off. Into 5 will be equal to 890. So this we can easily calculate. 17 5s are 85 and 5 8s are 40. So B will be equal to 178 plus 11, which is nothing but 819, and this will be 189. So the value of B will be easily known. And now here what we will do, so here definitely some multiplication is there. So let us try to divide this. So 5 20 times, and 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, and 5 20 20, and 5 4s are 5 5 are 25, right? 20 20 and this. Then again 5 4s are, and 5 8 times 40, and 5 9 times. This is nothing but 10 times. So 3A plus 19 will be equal to 40, and 3 will be equal to 21. So A will be 7. Now B is 189 and A is 7. So B by A will be equal to 189 by 7. So correct? Okay. So 7 2s are and 7 7s are. So if you'll find a cube root of this, that will be nothing but 3. So option B will become the correct answer for this particular answer. I hope it is clear for everyone. I hope it is clear for everyone. Please let me know if it is clear. Done? Shall we move to the next problem? Okay, good. The text are visible clearly, right? So there is no problem with the text. Text is visible clearly. Cool. So now we will be moving towards the next problem, question number 8. Question number 8 will be little calculative. Please understand, think and then do, okay? Question number 1. So Priya, I already erased it off. So this was just a simple calculation. We did a simple calculation and then we have solved it, okay? Clear? So your timer starts now. Okay, fine. So now time is over and I will solve it here. Okay, so friends, one thing which I wanted to tell you, okay, so fine. So this particular question, right, so people were asking for shortcut. See, shortcuts means here the simple calculation is there, nothing much. You see, you can directly write this 3A plus 19 percentage 100 is equals to into 2225 is equals to 890. Okay, and here b minus 11 percentage of 500, right, is equals to 890. So you have to be little quick in the calculation. See, this percentage will take 20 off. So b minus 11 will be equal to 5. 10 will be 2 times. 2, 9 times 18, 17. And b will be equal to 9, 18. Okay, 189. Here 5 20 times and 5 4 20, 5 4 20, 5 5 ja, then 5 4 ja, and then 5 89 times. 89 will be 10 times. So 3a plus 19 will be equal to 40. And 3a will be 21, so a will be 7. So you have to be little quick. 1989 by 7, so it is nothing but 27. So for all this you won't get trick. You will have to do little bit of fast calculation. That's all. You will be able to get that. Clear? Okay. Now this question, anybody gave the answer? So this question, did anyone give the answer? No. Okay, fine. So what is the sum in which, when divided among A, B, C and D in the proportion 2, 3, 5, 8 provides rupees 8420 less to D when? So basically what they're telling, A, B, C, D are there, okay? A, B, C, D are there. When we are dividing in the ratio 2:3:5:8, okay? And if we are dividing in the ratio 1/2, 1/3, 1/5, and 1/8, okay? Now they are telling there is a difference of 8420. See, either you take this first or that first, it does not matter, okay? So this is what is the question which you have to solve. Clear? No doubt till here, okay? Now what I am going to do here, so this is my A, B, C, D. So what will be D here? Sir, D is 8 and divided by total 8, 5, 13, 16 plus 2, 18. And what will be my D here, sir? So here my D will be, see, first it is in fraction. So what we need to do, that fraction we have to bring it in the normal this thing, okay? Now, so if you want to bring this in normal, then we will have to take LCM of this 2, 3, 5, 8. So 2 will divide this by 1 time, 2 will divide this by 2 times, okay? And 2 is dividing, so 2 into 3, 6, 5, 30 into 4, 120. So let us multiply by 120 to all the numbers. So let us multiply by 120 to all the numbers, okay? So now this is what we are going to do. So this is 60, okay, this is 40, and this is 24, and then this is 15. Now what will be D from here? So in front of D, 15 divided by total. So this is 60, 40, 120, 124, 139, okay? These are the value. This is again a question asked in TCS. Now their difference, 8 by 18 minus 15 by 139, their difference is nothing but 8420. Now if you'll solve, you will be able to get the answer. So 18 into 139, okay, so here 8 into 139 and minus 15 into 18 will be equal to 8420, okay, 8420. And then we can see, so 8 into 139, 14 8 ja 1120, so minus 8, it will be 1112 minus 15 10 ja 150 plus 120 270 is equals to 8420, and this value will also go that side. This value will also go that side, okay? And then if you'll subtract 2, 1 and then 11 minus 7 is 4, 10 minus 2 is 8, is equals to 8420 into 18 into 139. The calculation is becoming little lengthy. So the value of 1, that means the value of x which we want to calculate will be this. You can use the calculator, okay? So here you can see this will go by 10 times, okay? And now you see 9 8 ja 72. 9 8 ja 72. So at the end 2 is there in the option D, and that will become our correct answer. Now let me know if anyone is having any problem, or is it clear for everyone? Now please let me know if it is clear for everyone, or anyone is having any doubt, that you please let me know. Okay, if it is clear, please comment. Answer is not B, Answer is option D. Answer is not B, answer is option D. I will come this side and then you please try. I will come this side and then you please try. Clear, right? Sir, I'm getting demotivated by seeing this. See, these are the good level of problems, okay? And definitely you cannot do anything here. See, what we have done is, these are very basic things. See, if this is given, you need to bring in this normal format, okay? So we bring this in normal format by taking LCM. After that, D value is 8 by this, and from here D value is 15 by this. This is the actual question asked in the TCS. See, one thing which you keep in mind, that you do not have to solve 20 question, and you cannot even solve 20 question, right? So you cannot even solve 20 question, okay? You have to solve how many questions? You have to solve 10 questions. So even if it is taking 1 to 2 minutes, that's fine. In 25 minutes, if you are solving 10 to 12 question, it is good. You have to increase your speed. You have to practice and increase your speed. If you are not increasing, so technical gamer is telling A, so it's not A, it is option D. I have already solved it here. If you have any doubt, you can ask. But the thing is, which you need to understand is, these are the normal calculation. This guy is spamming. Let us remove him. Okay. So put user in timeout for 30 minutes till the session is there. Okay. So we have put him in timeout. Okay. Now, next question. So let us move towards the TCS. You are going to write TCS exam. If I will solve simple problem, if that does not come in exam, what you will do? You will start abusing me only, right? Okay. So now your timer starts now. Question number 9. Another 15 seconds. Okay, so your time expired now, and let us see if we can solve it here. Okay, so the main population of a city, how many of you have solved it? Sir, the attempt of behavioral question is important. Yes, it is important. If you have already bought it, so please see, the questions are not tough. The questions like this, okay, so once we are going ahead, see, these are the questions which are actually tough, okay? These are what we are doing is the basic questions only. So you don't think these are the tough question. These are very simple and basic question. If you are not able to do, then I'm telling you, my dear friends, please listen carefully. The TCS exam is going to be very, very tough for you, because these are the question which has asked. See, these are the question, has been already asked in TCS. It's not something new which we are doing, okay? So it's not something new which we are doing. So it has been already asked in the TCS examination. Understanding, right? Okay. Sir, I even cannot understand the question. Okay, I will tell you why you delete this live. Will you delete this live? No, I will not delete this live. So, the male population of a city, okay, before that, I just wanted to tell you this question number 5 once again, okay. So this question number 6 actually once again. So here, we had got the value of x square. So there was a small mistake, x square and y square, okay. So I think the options remain same. It is options are correct only. So this x square was 49 of p, and then y square was 64 of p, right? So this was this is what something we had got. So what we had got, we can just check once. So this 18, 8x square minus 5y square, and then 4x square minus 3y square is equals to 18 by 1. Okay, so this option seems to be correct only. The only thing what we have to do, so this will be the positive integers. Okay, so positive whole numbers. Positive whole numbers means, okay, so the value of p can be 1 and the value of p can be 1. It cannot be 0, right? So in that case also these options are correct only. I mean, the options are basically wrong, so one of the options definitely has to be correct. So that is what I wanted to reiterate once more. See, that is the only thing which you can see here, 49p plus 64p. So these are the positive whole numbers, so we have to use 1 1, so then also it will come as 113. Okay, so because here you can keep 1 and here you can keep 1, so it will come as 113. So it is correct only options is wrong. Okay, fine. Now, so this problem, please try to understand what they are telling. The main population of a city is increased by 20%. So this is my main, this is my main, okay, and this is omen, okay, and this is main plus omen. Okay, step by step you understand. So what they're telling, the main population of a city is increased by 20%. So if you increase it by 20%, how will you write? So sir, m into, if there is any increment, see, one thing you see first, if you want to solve this question, how quickly you can do it. So it is increased by 20%, so it is 1.2 m. It is increased by 42.5%, so it will be 1.425 w. And this is increased by 30%, so this and plus this. Okay, now if we subtract, it will be 0.1 m, and if we subtract 0.125 m. Okay, w. Now, so w by m they are telling. So w by m means 0.1 divided by, see, m will come this side, 0.125. So 125 into 8 will be 1000. So option B will be the correct answer. So once you know the basic method, right, then you will be easily able to solve it. That first you need to understand that these questions are not tough. The only thing is, because I'm explaining you and it is becoming little lengthier, so you are thinking the problems are tough. Now here you see 20% increment, so it will become 1.2 m, and this is 42.5%. so I had told you, if there is any kind of increment, you add it to 100 and divide by 100, so it's cancelled 1.25 m. For omen, it is add it to 100, add it to 100 and then divide by 100, so it will be nothing but 1.425 w. Clear? So 1.425 omen. And then they are telling, overall, if the total population increased by 30%. So this is overall, it is increased by 30%. So how will you write? Sir, m plus w, 30% means 130 by 100. So it is nothing but 1.3 m plus w. Till here, let me know if it is clear. Till here, let me know if it is clear. Till here, if it is clear, then you let me know that yes sir, it is clear. And now I will go ahead and I will solve. Okay, fine. Then, so main plus omen is equals to this. Now 1.2 m plus 1.425 omen is equals to 1.3 m plus 1.3 w. Now this and this, if you'll go that side, sir, 0.1 m is equals to, if it will come this side, 110, 4 minus 3 is 1, 0.125 omen. Okay, so this is what we have got it. Clear? Now what they are telling, that you have to understand. Then find the omen population of the city. Then find the omen population of the city as what percent of the main population of the city in the previous year. Okay, fine. So now m by main, omen by main you get from here. So omen by main. So omen by main, this will come this side. So 0.1 divided by 0.125. Now you have to calculate percentage, then multiply by 100. Then multiply by 100. So this is omen and this is main. Previously it was W by M. Now it is 1.25 M, 1.425 M. So previously it was W and previously it was M. So they're telling W, right? So then find the omen population of the city as what percentage of the main population. So that is the reason we have taken W by M, 0.1 by 0.125 into 100. Okay, so now if you remove this decimal, okay, then 30 will come. If you remove this decimal, after that one digit, so 10 will come. Okay, or the best way what you can do, 0.1 divided by 0.125 into 100. So if you want to remove this decimal, then after this also we should have 3 digits. Then now we can remove the decimal, and 158 times will be 1000, so it will be 80%. It will be 80%. That's all. The problem was simple only. In the beginning I said the problem is not tough. The problem is not tough. Okay, the problem is not tough. The only thing is you have to understand the basic, and this is what will be coming in the TCS exam. Let me know if it is clear. If it is clear, then we will be moving towards the question number 10. If it is clear, then we will be moving towards the question number 10. Are you facing any internet issue? Are you facing any internet issue, or it is there only in my laptop? Guys, please like the session yaar. We are putting a lot of effort. Let me know if it is clear. What is 142.5? What is 142.5? It is 1.425. See, if omen is W, okay, and I have told you if there is any increment, then add it to 100. So 42.5% increment is there. So add it to 100 and then divide by 100. So in the beginning only I told you in the first slide that basic is required. If you are not able to understand this, that means you first need to learn the basics, and then only you should jump on TCS problem. Okay? Fine. So if this is clear, then we will be moving towards the next problem. Before that, friends, once again, I would like to remind you. So if you are looking for upgrade exam, or if you want to clear, see, if your basic fundamental is clear now, then you will be able to clear any examination. So the basic fundamental has to be clear, and then only you will be able to get selected in your prime, digital, okay, or in any of the examination. So please start putting effort. Already daily live classes is going on for coding, for mock interview, for Java, for aptitude, for reasoning, for mock test. Okay, so a lot of things are already going on. Get this TCS NQT crash course as soon as possible. Otherwise, I don't want you to regret. And here you could see already we have given a lot of results. And in future also, we are going to give you these results. Okay, clear? Done? Okay. Now this particular question, see, in 2020 TCS NQT 2025 recently happened, right? TCS NQT 2025 recently happened for 2025 batch, okay, in September, October. The very same question was asked in the exam, and this is not a simple question. This is a very good question. See, one thing you please understand. These are the level of the TCS question. Please do not solve only the basic question. What is the use? See, now you will be happy that I am able to solve. And when you write the actual exam, then you are not able to solve. Then that time you will start abusing me, right? So please understand. Sir, I have cleared the NQT by watching his live a day before my exam. Thank you. Bye. Sir, only last line question की हिंदी में clear कर दीजिएगा please. Last आयुषी गुप्ता, सब क्लियर है? लास्ट में क्वेश्चन एक बार हिंदी में समझा दीजिए. सो क्वेश्चन लास्ट में, सी इन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन हिंदी में, तो आई एम जस्ट फॉर आयुषी आई एम रिपीटिंग इन हिंदी. तो वो लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं कि जो ओमेन का पॉपुलेशन है ना, लाइक मतलब जो जैसे मान लो एक विलेज है, ओके, तो सपोज देयर इज अ विलेज, सिटी है यहाँ पे, तो एक सिटी है, तो सिटी में मतलब जो इंक्रीमेंट हुआ उसको छोड़ दो, तो उसके पहले इंक्रीमेंट के पहले जो ओमेन है वो मेन की कितनी प्रतिशत है. ओके, मेन की कितनी प्रतिशत है, मतलब अगर मेन अगर पहले 100 था, ओमेन 50 था, इसका मतलब 50%. सी ऑलवेज यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड whomever they are comparing, that you have to keep it down. So then find the women population, all right, as what percentage of the men population. So women population is getting compared with the men population. Keep men down, keep women up into 100. तो एक सिटी में अगर मेन 400 हैं और अगर ओमेन 200 हैं, तो आपको बताना है कि ओमेन जो है मेन का कितना प्रतिशत है. So that is nothing but you can see 200 by 400 into 100, 50%. Okay, sorry. So for someone I explained this. Okay, now even my Hindi is not very good. Okay, so now let us start with the timer. Please solve now. आयुष होता तो रिपीट नहीं करता सर. अरे भाई मुझे क्या पता है कि वो कौन सी आयुषी है, कहाँ की है, कैसी दिखती है. आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट हर, राइट? सो प्लीज इट्स फॉर लाइक यू नो everyone are same for me. Okay, so please don't think in that way. See, Jiteshna is telling I'm not able to understand the question. See, it's not about you are not able to understand the question. The thing is you are not able to, that concept is not clear actually. The basic things now is not clear. See, for even though the question is not clear, you can still solve because you have to catch, okay? So, omen is what percentage of the main? That's all done. You don't have to even understand the question. So when your concept is, clear. Thank you, Sri Nivashavalu. You all are like, God for me. See, frankly speaking, today, whatever I am, okay, I am known by few people and all. It's all because of you. It's not because of me. If you guys see, suppose if I'm having live session, no one is watching. You guys are not watching. Then what is the use I come and do a live session? Nothing. So whatever I am doing or whatever I am, it's all because of you all, each one of you. So each one of you is contributing and I will be always grateful to the whole community. Okay. The only thing is I'm not able to, meet or interact with you personally, but I really care for all of you. Okay. So that please, have a trust. Now, so this question is a very good question. How to deal with this question, that we need to understand. So if Ashraf sells his product at 20% discount, he makes a 25% profit. What will be his profit percentage if he offers 3 successive discount of 4%? This is 1 line or 2 line question, but it has a very good concept hidden in it. So it is testing all your profit and loss concept. So market price, cost price and selling price. There are 3 things are there. So first of all, he makes a profit of 25%. So let us assume cost price is 100. Then 25% profit means 125 rupees. Okay. Then from the marked price, he is giving 20% discount. That means whatever is the marked price, the marked price is the price marked on that article. So whatever is the marked price, 20% discount he is giving. That means you have to pay only 80%. So how much you are selling for? Sir, 125. So we are calculating the marked price from here. So this is 24 ja, 25 ja. So 125 into 5 and divided by 4. 625 by 4 is nothing but equal to 15 6.25. So we got the marked price. It is nothing but 156.25. This is clear or not? So this is clear or not? That you tell me. So this is clear or not? Please, that you tell me. Thank you, bro. I am DB. So see, if you are considering MP, see, if you are considering MP as 100, then I will tell you what will be the problem. But good, at least you tried. So Sanket, if you take MP as 100, then your CP will be what? CP will be 80. Correct? Sorry, your selling price will be 100. Oh, I'm sorry. So here it is MP, right? So what I wanted to tell you, if you take this MP is equals to 100, then your selling price will be what? Selling price, you are giving it at 80 rupees. Now ultimately your CP you cannot take 100. Okay, you will have to get CP then. So sorry, this is basically you are selling at 80 rupees and discount, right? So when you are giving, just a minute, so MP into 20% discount will be equal to CP into 25%. Okay, so here basically the things will start becoming complicated. So they wanted the ultimate profit. So if your CP is 100, then you can directly tell the ultimate profit. But if you are going and framing a equation like this, then you will not have CP 100 and you will be getting into this kind of things, which will be more confusing. So you always see, that's the reason whenever a problem is given, so you have to think what has been asked to you, sir, profit percentage. Okay, profit percentage. So if your CP is 100, then you will be easily able to tell if you are selling in 123.3345 rupees, you can directly tell, sir, the profit is this much. So that is the reason I tried to keep CP as 100 so that there will be no problem. Clear? Clear? Yes. So marked price, if you are keeping, that means you are selling at 80 rupees. See, that means your marked price, if you are keeping at 100. So you are giving discount, selling price is nothing but 80. Then your CP into 125 by 100 will be nothing but 80. So here, like, you will have to, your CP will not be 100. Ultimately, your CP will not be 100, or you can take in ratio. That is not a problem. Okay. So in ratio also you can calculate. Till here, is it fine? I am not trying to confuse you with this. So till now, whatever I have said, so this is my data. I am keeping CP is equals to 100. Please tell me if it is clear till here. If it is not clear, then also you tell me. Very simple. What I did, cost price I assumed 100. Then you are selling at 25% profit, selling at 25% profit, so 125. Marked price we don't know, but they are telling marked price if you are giving 20% discount. That means if you are selling for 80 rupees, so what it is coming, 125 rupees. So we got marked price is 156.25. Clear? Okay. Now what they are telling, so this is your marked price, and now you are offering 3 successive discount of 4%. So you are now selling at 4% discount. See, if there is any discount, subtract from 100, divide by 100. 3 successive discount, subtract from 100, divide by 100. Subtract from 100, divide by 100. Now here you need to use a calculator. So you will be getting 138.24. Your cost price is 100 and this is 38.24. So you can directly say, so this calculation you will be able to save it. That is the reason I took cost price is 100. That is the reason I took cost price is 100. Now you tell me which part is not clear. Now you tell me which part is not clear. Guys, can everybody comment? Can everybody comment? Please everyone comment that it is, it is clear or not. This is a basic concept of profit and loss. Marked price means the tag price which is there on that particular thing. So marked price is a price tag which is there on the particular item. In that 20% discount you are giving, that means a customer has to pay only 80%, and they are telling selling price is 125, and that we solved 156.25. So BRZ is telling, sir, again, see BRZ, I explained some 3-4 times the same problem. If your basic is not good, then see, this is the basic of profit and loss, and now I don't know how to explain, because cost price I have kept it as 100. The reason I told you, so that this calculation I can save, I need only one calculation to be. See, even if you are using calculator, right? So even if you are using calculator also will take time, right? Okay. See what they are telling, the second part. So somebody is telling second part. Okay. So what will be his profit percentage? So what will be profit if he offers 3 discount of 4%? So when you go to mall, there was a pen, the price was what? Price was what? 156 rupees 25. They told today is Mahashivratri, so I will give you 3 discount, 4%, 4% and 4%. So 156.25. Okay, the first discount. First time he will give discount of 4%, means how much you have to pay? Sir, 96%. Again second time, so this is the value. Second times he will again give you 4% discount. Sir, how much you have to pay? So whatever value you have paid, uska 96%. Again, so this is what you paid on second counter. Then second counter, see, first counter you paid this much. Then when you went to second counter, Arey sir, you are our regular customer, take 4% more discount. How much you pay? So whatever you have paid, okay, whatever they have asked you to pay, you pay me 4% less. Then again he went to third counter, Arey sir, I stay near your home only, I will give you another 4% discount. That means you, whatever amount they have said you at second counter, you pay only 96% of that. That when we solved, we got 138.24. So that means 100 rupees is your cost price and 24 rupees is, 38.24 rupees is the profit. And if 100 is the base, you can directly tell that 38.24 rupees is your profit. Now, okay, now there is no way for me to do. See, everyone can do in 1 minute. See, it's very actually. See, the thing is, you should have done this kind of problems earlier. Now when you are doing, see, as soon as you see the problem, they are asking, see, first thing what you will do, sir, they are asking profit percentage. So cost price you assume as 100. Sir, there is a profit of 25%, so selling price will be definitely 125. Sir, they are giving a discount, 20% discount on marked price. Okay, 20% discount. That means that person has to pay only 80%. Okay, and then he will be selling it in 125 rupees, 45. And MP will become 625 by 4. If you want to use the calculator, 156.25. Now sir, 156.25 rupees is the price. They are telling if you are giving cumulative discount of, if you are giving 3 discount of 4%, so this much, it is nothing but 138.24. Use calculator. So after that you could see from the cost price is 38.24%. See, that is the reason they are expecting you that you have solved this question before, you have put effort, right? See, it's not like you are, see, tomorrow is TCS exam and today only you are going to read. That is where preparation is required. People will tell, YouTube videos are there, this are there, that are there, okay? See, this all are TCS problem. This all are TCS problem. I will show you how, otherwise you might not believe, okay? So you might not believe. So I'll just take you through this particular one, okay? And then you see. So this all are TCS question. Let me show you. And then I hope you will be able to believe that these are the TCS problem and similar kind of questions will be asked in the exam. Let me open this, okay? After I open this, see, you open your eyes and see. There is nothing hidden here, okay? Come on. See, this is what we are doing, the problems. Okay, from here you see this problem we did. Amit starts a business with 20,000 after 6 months. Okay, the partnership problem. Then this is the length of a rectangular problem. These problems will come in some time. Okay, this you see, this simple interest problem, this will get in some time. A person starts his journey at 8 a.m. Okay, this what is the remainder problem we did, the average score problem we did. Okay, and then the main population we did. Okay, and then this average problem we did. Okay, then this percentage again, this cube problem we did. Okay, then this simple interest problem we will be doing it. Okay, this problem also we will be doing it. Okay, this is an installment problem which we will be doing it in some time. Okay, this is also we will be doing it in some time. This ratio problem we did some time back. This Ashraf problem we did it now. Okay, and this problem, right, and this problem, you see. So all these problems we are doing, and we are going to do it also. So these are TCS problem only. It's not like we are doing something very different. So you have to accept the fact that the question level will be easy, moderate and difficult level. If you want to clear the concept, your basics should be now. They're telling how they're clicking the pictures in the ION center, that you forget, yaar, leave. You also want to do that only. You do your job, that's all. Okay, fine. What happened to that? Why we are not moving to the next problem? Arey yaar, I think I need to reopen it once again. This is hanged actually. I think maybe because 2 PPT I opened. Just a minute. So let me close this. Okay. Right. Okay. Now it is moving. Now question number 11 is a simple problem, and I am hoping you will be able to solve this. Okay. So can you please share the PPT once? The PPT, this questions will be there. No, how I will share the PPT? Okay. Arun Thakur is telling increase the speed. Arun, see, what you do, let the live classes go. After this, you watch it, okay, by increasing the speed, because there are other people who need to understand this, okay, and to them I am teaching, okay. So I'm sorry to say that, but timer is over, but I don't see anyone has given the answer. So in what time does a sum of money becomes triple the amount at a simple interest of 10% per annum? This is very simple. See, suppose your principal is 100 rupees, okay, and now they are telling in what time does a sum of money becomes triple. So it becomes triple actually. How it will become triple? Some black magic will happen. Some black magic will happen, it will become triple? No, sir. Then how it will become triple? So, sir, because 100 rupees is the principal, and then 200 rupees will become interest. 100 rupees is principal, and 200 rupees will become interest. Okay. See, how 100 rupees will become 300? Because I have put in bank. Bank is giving me 200 interest. Okay. Now, so my principal is 100. My simple interest is 200, and my rate of interest is 10%. They're asking year. So SI will be equal to PRT by 100. So here it will be 200 is equals to 100 into 10 into T by 100. So now this is done and time will be 20 years. Simple. So time will be 20 years. That's all done. Okay. Or you could have, so once you write this is 200 and this is 100, this is 10. So you need 2 in multiplication. So 2 in multiplication means whatever options start with 2, that will be your answer. 10 years. How 10 years here? It will be 20 years, right? Mrityunjay Srivastava. So we have, see, if you want to cross verify, you verify like this. Principal is equals to 100, rate is equals to 10%, and time is equals to 20 years. So what will be the simple interest in 20 years? Sir, P into R into T by 100. So sir, in 20 years, the interest will be 200. So, right? So in how many years the interest will be 200? Sir, 20 years. Okay? Clear? Sir, explain compounding interest ratio using ratio method. For that, one complete class is required. So already on our YouTube live session, that compound interest problem is done. Okay? Now, next problem, and your timer starts now. Come on, let's try to solve it. Okay. Sir, in my application form, in my other detail section, I have a subsection called references. What is that? How to fill it? I think you need to fill your someone college, faculties. Okay. See, Kunal, so you can take anything. It's not 100. You take 1, you take 2. See, in the previous problem now, you can take whatever you want. See, it's just should be 3 times. So you take 10, 3 times will be what? 30. You take 20, 3 times will be what? 60. So whatever you want, you take. Always you will be getting the same answer. Okay. See, now, suppose you don't take 10, 20. You take P. P is your principal. And 3P, it is becoming 3 times. So definitely principal and plus other things will be your interest. Okay. So simple interest will be equal to P into R into T by 100. PP cancelled. So this is 1 time, T will be 20. So you want to take P, you take P. You want to take 100, you take 100. You want to take 200, you take 200. So whatever you want, you take. That does not matter. Now, this is one good question. So M and N are the greatest and the least number to be subtracted from 1, 3, 2, 5. To provide non-zero multiples of each of the numbers 4, 5, 6 and 12. Now if any number, okay, see multiple means nothing but divisible. Multiple means nothing but divisible. So if any number is divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 12, the basic concept says that number will be also divisible by their LCM. Okay. So 2 2s are, 2 3s are and 2 6s are. Then 2 1s are and 2 3s are. Then 3, 1 times, 5 times, 1 1. So 12 into 5, 60. So if any number is divisible by all this, then this number also should be divisible by 60. Very clear. This is a very basic concept of number system. Number system says if a number is divisible by 4, 5, 6, 12, whatever it is, then it should be also divisible by their LCM. Okay. Now, they are telling 1325 is the number. So, from here m and n are two m and n are two greatest and okay, and least numbers, okay, that we have to subtract so that it will be divisible by 60. Now, so now what I did, the first thing, I am dividing by number by 60. So 62s are 120 and then 125. 62s are then again 120, so 5 will be remainder. That means if I subtract 5, minimum number, if I subtract 5, it will be 1320, and then this 1320 will be divisible by 60. So we have got the list number. Now, what is a maximum number? We can subtract so that it will be divisible by 60. So what you do, you subtract 60 from it. That means 5, and this is 12 minus 6 is 6, and 1265. Okay, so if you subtract 1265, if you subtract 1265 from it, what we will be getting? 60. Okay, and that will be divisible by 60. So this will be the maximum number which if you'll subtract, it will be divisible by 60, and this will be least number which you will subtract 5, then it will be divisible by 60. Now they're telling find out the value of 1 by 2 into m plus n. So m is 1265 and n is 5. 1270 by 2, it is nothing but 635. So it was a very basic question which uses our common sense, and then you will be easily able to solve it. Sakanksha has given the correct answer, very good, and Soumyadeep Ganguly has given the correct answer, 635. Clear? Is it clear for everyone? So it is this question, see, these are not tough problems. As I showed you already, these are asked in TCS exam only. So you have to understand that this kind of questions you will be getting in TCS exam as well. Okay? Done. Shall we move to the next question? Okay, done. Is it clear for everyone? Please comment if it is clear, guys, and please like the session if things are clear to you. Then we can move ahead with the next problem. So you just have to comment down, nothing else. Okay, then we will be moving towards the next problem. If you have not understood, then also you have to tell. Okay, now the next question, I'm giving you 1 minute of time, and then I will solve it. Okay. Okay, done. Fine. Okay. So let us try to see. Nobody has solved it. Fine. Now what they're telling, the loss incurred by a tea dealer in tea by selling 20 kg of tea at the rate of rupees 330 per kg is same as the gain made by him by selling 25 kg of it at rupees 384 per kg. What is his gain percentage when he sells that tea at the rate of 390 rupees per kg? Clear? Okay. So suppose the cost price is nothing but X rupees. Okay. Now 20 kg he is selling at the rate of 330 and he is going in loss. So loss will be always cost price minus selling price. See, if you are selling at 10 and if you have bought at 15, definitely you will be having a loss. So you bought at X and you sold at 330, definitely there will be a loss. Okay. And so how many kg you are selling? 20 kg. So when you are selling 20 kg, the loss is equals to when you are selling 25 kg. So what will be profit? Profit will be selling price minus cost price. And how many kg you are selling? 25 kg. So loss is equals to profit. That is what they said. Clear? Okay, done. Now 5 4 ja and 5 5 ja. 4x minus 1320 will be equal to 5 4 ja 20, 42, 19 minus 5x. So 9x will be equal to 0, 4 and this is 32. So x will be equal to 9 3s are 27, 9 6 ja and x is equal to 360. Okay, fine. So I hope till here it is clear, right? Till here if you have any doubt, please ask me. Till here if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, done? Okay, good. Now what I am going to do is, your cost price is 360 and you are selling at, now you are going to sell at 390. So what is the profit? So 30 rupees is the profit. Profit percentage formula you know, right? So percentage of profit formula you know, profit divided by cost price into 100. So divided by 360 and into 100. So 0 0 cancelled and this is 12 times. So this is 4 3s are 425 times. So 8 1 by 3. 8 1 by 3. So 25 by 8 1 by 3. Option D will become the correct answer. So Anusha is telling option A, very good. Sivaram is telling option A, very good. Okay, is it clear for everyone? If it is clear, please let me know, sir, if it is clear. See, this was not a difficult problem. See, till here you might have seen in many question. Okay, and this is what we solved. We got cost price and they are telling what is his gain percentage when he sells that tea at the rate of 390 per kg. That's all, done. Okay, clear? Okay, done. Okay, now I hope it is clear for everyone. Then we will be moving towards the next problem. If you have any doubt at any place, please let me know. Is it same problem? Oh, both are same problem. Now question number 15. Question number 15 is a very interesting problem. It is not difficult. You just have to use little bit of your mind and then you will be able to solve. You just have to use little bit of your mind and then you will be able to solve. Okay. राम राम भाई, जय श्री राम. Okay. So your timer expired now, and now let us see how we can solve it. Internet is there, right? Sometimes I feel there is no internet only. Okay, so this is a very interesting problem. Please try to understand and see. So what they're telling, Amal took two separate loans. One is at 4,000 rupees and another is 3,000 rupees. Okay. And here the rate of interest is 4%. I'll put some little distance. And here the rate of interest is 8%. Okay. Time is not known here. Time is not known here also. Here also. These both are on simple interest. So simple interest and then this is simple interest. Okay. And they are getting total 880 rupees interest. Right. See, Amal took two separate loans of 4,000 rupees and 3,000 rupees on the basis of simple interest at the rate of 4% and 8% respectively. The loans were provided exactly at the 0 hour of 1st January. So 1st January 2017 they took the loan with the condition that the entire sum has to be returned when the total interest works out to be 880. So total interest basically when it is 880 you have to return the money. On which date had Amal got to return the sum? So 4,000 4% interest, time I don't know. 3,000 8% interest, time I don't know. Now this 2020 cancel, 2020 cancel. Bhaiya 160t and plus 240t is equals to 880. So it is 400t is equals to 880. So 1010 cancel, t will be 88 divided by 40. So it is 2.2. Now, so time is nothing but 2.2 years. Sir, what is the meaning of 2.2 years? Sir, 2 years plus 0.2 in 1 year, 12 months. So 2 years plus 2.4 months. Okay. Now, sir, what is the meaning of 2.4 months? Sir, it is 2 months plus 0.4 month. In 1 month, how many days? So 30 or 31. Let's take 30. So 2 years. See, this is 2 years plus 2 months. And plus this will become 12 days. Okay, 12 days. So 1st of January 2017. So 2 years means 1st of Jan 2019. 2 months means 1st of March 2019. Another 12 or 13 days, that means so either 13th of March or 14th of March, because based on the number of days. So 14th of March 2019 will become the correct answer for this particular problem. So this is one approach which we could have used. Okay. Now let us think, using common sense. So 4,000 rupees we have at 4% interest. Okay. So in 2 years, how much interest I will get? So sir, in 2 years we will be getting 320. Okay. And here 3,000 rupees we have at 8% interest. In 2 years, how much we would have got? So that is nothing but 480. So basically in 2 years I would have got 800 rupees interest. Okay, so anyway, this is clear. So in 2 years 800, so in 1 year interest will be what, sir? 400. If in 1 year means 12 months, if the interest is 400, then in 1 month it will be, the interest will be 12. So it is 12 3s are 36 and 36 and again 12, around 33 rupees. Okay, so already we have 800 rupees and 1 month it is 33, next month it is 33, 66. So another few days, I need. So from 1st January 2019, 1st March 2019 and few more days, so it is nothing but 14th of March 2019. So you are open to use your common sense also. You can also use the the formula, the concept, okay, that all those things we can do it. So one more person will be put in timeout for half an hour. Okay, clear for everyone? Let me know if it is clear for everyone, then we can move ahead with the next problem. 14th of March 2019 will be, I should move this side, okay, so that you can see the text what is written here. So basically 14th of March 2019 is the correct answer for this particular problem. Okay, done. Shall we move to the next problem? Thank you all of you, those who are still watching, and the session is already like 1 hour and 40 minutes. So 16, and after 16 we have 17, then we have 18, and I think 2 more problem we will try to solve. Okay, now please solve. So the timer starts now. The timer starts now. Vashvi Kota, so looks like your basic is not good. So I request you to please join the session, the course, TCS NQT crash course, and that will help you out here. Okay, guys, can you quickly like the session here? We are putting a lot of effort, and definitely we will be keep putting. We will be bringing more and more sessions for you, but your effort is definitely required here. Okay, so now here question number 16. So question number 16, a person reserves some land area for tree plantation. He plants lemon tree in 1/15 of the total area and papaya tree in 2/5 of the remaining area. He divides the remaining area in 2:3:4 for rose, sunflower and jasmine. If the area for jasmine plant, so jasmine is 4 and they are telling 1440. So jasmine is 4 and it is equals to 1440. If we'll try to divide, 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 360. Okay, then again if you'll try to divide, see, ratio will be same. So if you're multiplying 1 with 360, you'll have to multiply everywhere with 360, and then again it is 360, so it will be 720, right? So what I did, because I had this data, so I am proceeding with that. So the remaining area is divided into 2:3:4 part for rose, sunflower and jasmine plants. If the area of jasmine plant is 1440, how many times? 360. So all will be 360 because ratio will be always same. So you have to multiply with the same number. Clear? Okay, very good. Now if we'll add everything, now we have the values. So 0, 8, 4, 12 and plus 2, 14 and 14, 10, 24, 7, 31 plus 1, 32. Fine. So we came to know the remaining area 3240, right? The remaining area 3240 was divided into 2:3:4 part, and that is the reason Jasmine got 1440 meter square. Till here it is very, very clear. There is no doubt at all. Now what happened? They are telling a person reserves some land area. He plants lemon tree in 1/15. So he had X land. Okay. So in 1/15, he is planting for lemon. Okay. Then how much he will be remaining? Sir, if 1/15 he is planting for this, then 14/15 area will be remaining. No, sir. What is the question? There is no question only. Out of 15, one area he reserved for lemon. So 14 area it will be reserved. It will be remaining. Okay. Now, so basically we had X. So X/15 was for lemon and 14X/15 is remaining. Now from this remaining, they are telling papaya trees are in 2/5 of the area, right? Papaya trees in 2/5 of the area. So if papaya tree is in 2/5 of the area, then sir, what will be remaining? So out of 5, 2 is in papaya. So 3/5 will be the remaining area. And that is what we have got is 3240. Okay. Now in the question they are telling, you have to find out area for the papaya tree. Area for the papaya tree. So area for the papaya tree is into 2/5. But right now I have into 3/5. So what I will do? I will multiply by 2/3. So if I multiply by 2/3 on both the side, then what will happen, my dear friend? Then this 3 and 3 will get cancelled and we will be getting whatever we wanted, 14/15x into 2/5. That was used for papaya. Now this is 10 times, this is 8 times, this is 0 times. So 2160. 2160. That means option C will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Okay. Done? Clear? Okay, great. Okay, fine. So I hope it is clear for everyone, right? 2160 is the correct answer. Okay. Now friends, so before I move to the question number 17, okay, before I move to question number 17, so I will go back to question number 5. Actually, there was a small mistake which we had done, question number 6, and that I will explain you once again. Okay, and then we will jump to the last problem. Okay. Yes, 2/5 is the answer, correct. So 3/5 is 32. Then 2/5 we have to calculate. Same thing I did. Okay, same thing I did. I did not solve anything. Why we multiply by 360? Because 360 was, see, in the question they had given. Okay, so Kunal, in the question they had given here, if you'll go and see, where it went. So question, if you'll see, so here they have told, right? See, basically you try to understand here. I am directly using some concept. Rose is to sunflower is to jasmine is 2:3:4. Okay, fine. And jasmine, what is the part of jasmine? So jasmine in front of jasmine 4, and total is 4, 3, 2, 7 is 9 into 1, 4, 4, 0. Now, so this is fourth part, right? So basically here they have told what is the part for this. Here they have told what is the part for this. So you have to understand this part is, they have already told this is 1, 4, 4, 0. So this part already they have given. So instead of going and calculating, I directly saw, see, 4 is equals to basically, or okay, let me tell you one more way. See, this is 2, 3. So rose I can write 2x, and sunflower I can write 3x, and jasmine I can write 4x, correct? Okay. Now, if I add everything, because total is 1440. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, right? So like this you will be able to do. Or here you see this 4x is equals to given as 1440. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 360. So now jasmine 4x is equals to 4 into 360. Okay, this one x value is 360, so that is the reason we multiplied by 360. So that is the reason we multiplied by 360. Clear? So when you write down, but till when you will be keep doing this, it will unnecessarily consume your time. It will unnecessarily consume your time. You see here 4 is given as 1440, that is nothing but 360 times. Okay, fine. Next I said, so there in question number 6 there was a small mistake which we had done. So let me try to explain you once again, because from that time no, I'm thinking why that options were not coming. Okay, and here let us try to think and let us try to do it. So what they are telling, 8x square, so a very small mistake was there, is equals to 4x square minus 3y square is equals to 18 by 1. Now if we do cross multiplication, 72x square minus 54y square is equals to 8x square minus 5y square. I missed it actually when I was doing 64x square is equals to 49y square. Now here x square by y square is nothing but equal to 49 by 64. So basically if you will take x by y square root, it will be 7 by 8. So now my x is to y is nothing but 7 is to 8. So x we can take as 7p and y we can take as 8p. Now x square plus y square. So basically this will become 49p square and plus 64p square. That time what I had done, I had assumed the value is p. If it is in a square, we had to assume it is in a square. So 113p square. Now your answer will be a multiple of 113, but okay, so we also have to see. So if you divide this, you will be getting 25. If you will divide this, you will be getting 4. If you will divide this, you will be getting 1. If you will divide this, you will be getting 48. So all other are square, right? 5 square, 2 square, 1 square. So this 48 will be this 48 no, so none of the square will be a value of that, right? So 48 square root we cannot find it out. So basically that option D will not be a answer here. Okay, so that option D cannot be one of the value for this x square plus y square, because we need p square and that p. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25, but for 48 we will not be able to make a square of that. Okay, clear. Now the last question is one of the tricky problem which is based on installments. Okay, so this is based on installment. Now let us see. So this question you have to be very, very careful. So it is the last question and it is installment based problem. It is installment based problem. So this is the last problem and this is the installment based problem for today. Okay, so installment based problem in compound interest, and this is an important topic which will be asked in your examination. Clear? Okay, so a washing machine is available for 47,000. So please don't solve, you watch the solution here. A washing machine is available for 47,500 cash, or if you pay 9,250 rupees as a down payment, okay, down payment, then whatever amounts you have on that, interest will be charged and you are going to pay in 2 equal installment. You are going to pay in 2 equal installment. Okay, please understand the question first. Now, one more thing, the interest charged is 8% per annum compounded half yearly. In 1 year, you have to give 8% rate of interest. So in half year, every 6 months if you are coming, then you have to give only 4%. Okay? Sir, can you explain the last part? See, last part, what I said, Kaustubh Mukherjee, see, what I said is, P square is there, right? So 113 into P square. Now, P square value will be what? So if you are dividing, right? So 113 P square is equals to the first option. P square you will be getting as 25. So the value of P will be 5. Second option, P square will be 4. So P will be 2. Third option, P square will be 1. So P will be 1. But last option, P square is 48. So P value, you cannot take a square root. So that is what I said. Now, till here, it should be clear. Next, what I am doing is, see, this is a trick which I had told you for calculating installment problem. 4% is nothing but 4 by 100. It is nothing but 1 by 25. That means, if 25 rupees is principal, then 26 rupees will be your, with interest you will be giving 26 rupees. Now here it is 2 installment, right? So here you are going to pay in 2 installment. Then again you have to write 25 square and then 26 square. In the installment based classes I have told you. So 25 and 26. So this is nothing but your each installment, okay? So 26 square is 76 and 25 square is 625. Your installment has to be same. So I'll multiply by 26 on both the side. So this will become 650. This will become 625. This multiplication, your installment will be same. Every year your installment, each installment will be same. So this is 1275 and this is 2, 5 and 13. So what is the interest? 12 minus 5 is 7 and 14 minus 7 is 7. So 77 rupees is your interest. Now you see. So what has been given? Basically the principal, 38,250. And this is nothing but our principal, 1275. And then what is the interest? Interest is nothing but 77. Now if you solve, you should be getting 2310. That means option C. If you want, we can verify the answer here, but you can solve it also. That's not a very big calculation actually. So 38,250 into 77 divided by 1275. See, this is a question which many of you might not have understood. I know, okay? So this is a question which many of you might not have understood. Can you guys please like the session here? Can you please like the session, guys? Okay. So basically, this is a, particular question which you might not have understood completely. And the reason is very, very clear. So what is that reason? The reason is, it has the installments basic concept. And if the basic concept is not clear for the, okay, so I think my battery, okay, battery is there. So if the installment concept is not clear, then you find it little difficult. Let me know if it is clear for everyone. So in 250 likes, I need another 4 likes. Okay, so 250 likes we reached. Very good. So now tell me if you have any doubt here. So can you tell me if you have any doubt here? See, what I have done here is, I will tell you once more. So what I have done here is, see, this is a washing machine, cost is 47,500. But if you pay down payment, okay, 9,250, then this is the remaining amount. This remaining amount, the shopkeeper said, sir, you give in 2 equal installment. Rate of interest, I will charge you 8% per annum. But if you are giving half yearly, then in half yearly, your rate of interest, you give 4%, 4%. Okay, fine, no problem. Then I came to my trick. 4% is nothing but 4 by 100. 4 by 100 is nothing but 1 by 25. That means if your principal is 25 rupees, you are going to give installment of 26 rupees. 1 rupees is the interest. Okay, so this is the interest. So 25 plus 1, 26. So you are going to give installment of 26 rupees. And 2 installment means 25 square, 26 square. If there is 3 installment means 25Q, 26Q. Now 25 square is 625, 26 square is 676. See, your installment for the first installment and second installment both should be same, but it is different. So what I did, I multiplied this also. I wanted to make 676, so I multiplied by 26 this side, 26 this side. So this is 650, this is 676, this is 625, and this is 676. So this is nothing but 1275, and this is nothing but 1352. Okay, so this is my principal and this is my total installment. And if we'll take the interest is 77 rupees. They are asking you have to find out the interest, the total interest you have to find out. Total interest is 77 rupees. What is the principal amount, sir? 38,250. And what is our principal? Because we have used, see, we have used our own data. So this is my principal and this is my interest. So now this is their principal. So this is our principal and this is interest. Okay. So when we divide it, we got 2310. Yes, this is the last question. After that, there is no question. Okay. So I hope this is clear for everyone. The classes, I don't know how was the class. Okay, there is one more question is there. So this you can take it as a homework. You can solve it. Please explain the question clearly. The question is explained clearly only. There is nothing in the question. If you are not able to understand, that means you have to work on your basics. See, a shopkeeper said the price of the washing machine is 47,500. Okay. He gave one option, either you pay complete amount or 9,250 rupees you pay, down payment, and the other amount you can pay on 8% per annum, but compounded half yearly. That means instead of 8%, you have to pay on 4%. If the, okay, then they are asking the total interest. The total interest they are asking. So see, you bought a mobile from Flipkart in 10,000. With interest you paid 12,000. So what is that interest? So I mean, you paid an installment with interest. So the interest is 2,000 rupees. That is what. So if, see, this is the Vivek Bhattacharya. This is the trick to solve compound interest with installment problem. Okay. So there is one, see, that is a reason I tell you, right? See, when we talk about, right, TCS NQT crash course. So here what we have done, okay. So if you go to the content, I will just show you. If you go to the content, okay. So you see, we have done a, recorded videos. We have done some 15 problem on installment based. So what will happen that way, you will be able to practice the questions and then this will become easy for you. So it is, okay. So problems on ratio proportion, remainder theorem, okay. Time and work, pipe and cisterns, ratio proportion, okay. Problems on simple and compound interest, installment based problems, right? So here we have done 1 hour of the installment based problem from basics. Okay, why we are using this trick, what if it is 3 years, what if it is 2 years, what if it is 2.5 years. So each and everything has been discussed. Okay, so see, every topic needs some discussion, which is not possible when I am taking live on YouTube. Okay, because because we have to spend time in classes also. People have paid, and if you don't do classes for them, then you think, see, not only here, even the live classes you will see which is going on there also, I am covering all this topic. See, live classes recorded new batch, then you have to go for aptitude classes by Pratik sir. And then you see compound interest is a the topic where we are taking two sessions. Compound interest part 2, where we have solved installment problem, simple and compound interest, right? So here also you see partnership and simple interest. So we are already doing, right? See, sir, how did you know that 8% will become 4% for each half and not 8% for both half? Because they have mentioned here, no? See, they have mentioned in the question itself, Guru, you have to put more effort here. 8% per annum. Per annum means per year. For 12 months, they are giving you 8% interest. So for 6 months, what will be the interest? 4%. So in the question only they have mentioned, no. See, you have to solve compound interest problem in detail, in depth. Then only you will be able to understand these things. Clear? So this last question, I am leaving it for you. you have to solve and you have to let me know the answer in the comment section. I hope the session was good. Now please let me know how was the session. Were you able to understand whatever was taught? 2 hours of the continuous session. So I wanted to know in the comment section that how was the session, and please do like and comment. If you like and if you comment that you want more session, definitely we will bring it for all of you. Thank you, take care and all the very, very best. Now it's your input. So let me know how was the class. So these are the actual problems which will be coming in TCS examination. Please practice this kind of questions only. Don't go for simple questions, okay? See, if I will do simple questions with all the tricks, many people will watch, okay? The views on the videos will be also more. But tomorrow, you should tell that because of online study for you, I got placed. Some time back, somebody commented that, sir, because of your classes, I got placed. That is where, it gives satisfaction. And that is where these results are coming up, okay? See, there are so many people who are getting selected in Prime, Digital, okay? There are so many classes which are going on, daily live classes, we are doing it, right? So if you go to our platform, there also we can see. So we have already started with so many classes and all, right? So all those things we are doing it for you all, and we will be keep doing it. Don't worry about it. So this is a live session which is already going on, okay? So thank you. Okay. Sir, no reply. What is no reply? Unknown lost. Sir, I explained you, no? Hey, what is this, man? Unknown lost. I explained you, right? I explained you clearly by showing the question. You are telling no reply. Sir, last question answer is 38. Very good. Yes, the last question answer is 38. Okay. So if you have not got the crash course, get it now. Start your preparation and we will be always there for you all. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Good night. Bye bye. Have your dinner. Take rest.